How to download Minecraft for free. To download Minecraft for free, you have few options depending on your device and preference. Now here you have to visit this official website, which is Minecraft. Welcome to the Minecraft official site. Here just go and click on it. Now once you go and click on it, you will get this option. There's a different versions of Minecraft here, right? Normal Minecraft, Minecraft Dungeons, and Minecraft Legends. So I will just go and click on Minecraft here. Now once I just go and click on it, right, it exactly shows like animation. Now here you will get the two option, I mean not two, there's a lot of option for which version you want to download. Right now here, obviously I use a Windows. I will just go and click on Windows, right, and here I will get this option, buy now, and just go and click on buy now, and here you will get this option. This is a $39 and this is $30, right? The If you want to get it for free, you need to have a redeem a copy or purchase as a gift, right? So if you have a code where you can enter it and offer code, you can get it for pretty low price or completely for free. Right now this is a way to do it, and there's no other way to get Minecraft. So you have to just keep waiting on Steam or somewhere, right? And this is a way to do this. Thanks for watching this video.